A US-based saw manufacturer, the Sharp Tool Company, has invested in new grinding machines to enhance the precision and efficiency of its circular saw blade production. The advanced equipment is expected to improve quality and reduce production times. Integrating new machinery into existing production lines will require some careful planning, though, to minimize disruptions and ensure compatibility with all the current processes that they've got going on. So
there you go. You got it. You got it. So let's slice right into this one. You like that?
It's
You
great.
like that? Not really. Yeah.
Sharp,
Okay. Not
mate,
right.
sharp.
Okay.
that's great.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you.
impressive.
Thank you. Number one business lifecycle challenge here is going to be, you said it, legacy system integration versus maintaining that operational efficiency, isn't it? So adding new machines into existing lines without turning production into a stop and go traffic jam all the way, that is going to be the real kind of saw blade test on this one. So, upgrading your car's engine while you're speeding down the highway, not a good place to be, is it? Not an easy place to be.
Yeah, and you know what? I just want to applaud whoever got this initiative going, because the challenges they would have known ahead of them to do this is massive, right? So you've got some really good business leadership going there. So I'd just like to make a note on that. But I think speed to market, is key here, because again, like the previous company we spoke about, they've got a very large demand, a lot of supply, and that can't be disrupted. Introducing legacy systems with the new systems is you think about the documentation you've got to do there, because the thing what stands out to me the most is there's a huge amount of change management what's got to take place here. Like, I can't even comprehend the amount of change management, not just process change, but attitude and adoption change from the people.
Yeah, people change.
Doing this as well, which could obviously have an effect on that speed to market as well, because the human element is usually the hardest to manage. But if you had a good flexible APS system in there, if you're near a midterm planning, something which can not only help you have a clear view of what you're doing, but can also help you theorize what happens if we ramp up demand on this. That's going to help articulate those arguments for the people who need to adopt it.
I like that. Yeah, your manufacturing engineers are not well known for their patience. Let's be blunt about it. They really aren't. And you're going to be bitching with all these changes coming in. There's no doubt about it. They're going to be whining away. I think your APS turns into your AI assistant in many ways. It's like deferring. Okay, they're changing, they're adjusting, they're changing my schedule. You're making my life easier. So rather than bitching and whining, you got to go and do the change. That thing's already doing it for you. So I love that finite capacity planning and scheduling tool in APS. So yeah, get it. That keeps your speed going, but without integrating those machines smoothly, they're going to be these kind of precision doorsteps, paperweights that you're going to have to deal with. So you can't talk, for me, speed to market when half your production lines throw in error codes because new old machines can't communicate. So integration is going to be the key here. Until those new machines and the legacy systems are singing the same tune, you're just sharpening those saw blades, and they ain't cutting too much at the end of the day. So yeah, speed's great, but you got to get them integrated in the first place. Otherwise, you're going to be just stuck in first gear.
Yeah.
What do you think the solution is?
Well, you've got it's always the same old go-to, isn't it, when it comes to solutions with these types of headaches, right? It's got to be MES every time, like good old MES. 100%. That's where you've got to take it, because that is what's going to centralize that, bringing all of those in, both the legacy and the new systems, and giving you that visibility. It's not much more to it
MES.
for me there.
I've got one more to say. So let's say you get it all integrated and you've got your APS running. Now you've got legacy systems with different maintenance cycles. You've got new systems with a different maintenance cycle. So I think the other one's going to be, because downtime's everything, isn't it? Your efficiencies of your equipment, minimizing your downtime. So I'm going to introduce here AI-powered predictive maintenance as well to this one. Bring that in. That way, you're not relying on the engineer listening away, going, "Oh, that one sounds like it needs a bit of a maintenance." You've actually got you've got an AI tool that's going, "No, this one's ready, but that one isn't." So you're not just doing cycles, you're doing on reality through predictive maintenance. So that one I would bring in immediately.
Yeah, that's something I would love to see, right? Because yeah, I can see completely what you're saying.
No,
And I guess
it's out there.
and this is it, and the fact is, because I've worked on lines, right, with predictive maintenance, I've done that and set tool changeovers at certain amount of units or whatever. We won't talk about the time I made 120 units wrong, but the fact that it's learning, and adapting to what you're doing, and not just a very basic KPI, has got to bring a lot of value.